Hello students, now let us continue our discussion on style sheets with the inheritance of style tags. Say for instance, I give a styling information for the body tag. So this styling information would be used for all the tags that are used within the body tag of the HTML page, unless and until I specify another style information pertaining to that particular text. Say for example, I can have the text color for the body defined as blue and another styling information for h1 tag, which is inside the body tag, to specify the color to be used as red. So inheritance will apply only if I am not overriding it with specific values. So h1 would have been blue in color had I not explicitly specified the styling information for h1 tag. But since I have overridden this using the style information for h1 tag, the style information for h1 tag will apply. Now let us see the common style attributes that we are going to use. The first one is the font size. Now the font size can be either an absolute measure or a relative size measure. When I talk about absolute values, the units that we use are either going to be points, centimeters, millimeters, inches, or pixels. These are all absolute unit of measurements. For relative values, we use the percentage symbol or any one of the preset sizes, that is extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. And they are in increasing order of size from extra small to extra large. So here you can see we have specified the font size for body as 10 point, which is an absolute unit of measurement. Similarly, with percentage, we can specify it as 150%. 150% of what? Of the default size of the web browser. 10 point is exactly 10 point. It has nothing to do with the default size. So when it comes to specifying sizes, relative units are preferred more than the absolute units of measures, because when designing a web page, it's totally upon the web browser. I can override these sizes by changing the size of the font in my browser. So relative units still allow me to set the default size of the browser, and other formattings are adjusted according to the default size. So here you can see other examples. Mostly we have used the relative unit of measurement. The next option is the font weight option. Now this is generally used for making the font bold, or there are other options also here, but mostly we use medium and bold values. There is an option for extra light, light, demi light, medium, demi bold, bold, and extra bold. Or we can also give whole numbers in the range of 100 to 900. Only whole 100 values are acceptable. So this will adjust the how bold or how much weight my font is going to carry. You can see that normal text. Then we have here the option for font style. Now font style allows you whether you want the font to be italic or normal. So it's generally used to make it italic because normal is the default. So here you can see for H1 and H2 we have specified the font style as italic. So heading level 1 and heading level 2 will be italics. You can see it here on the right hand side of the frame. Heading level 1 and 2 are made italic, while heading level 3 is not italic. The last option that we are going to consider is the color option. So we can give color colon either the color name or the hexadecimal value in RRGGBB sense. So the two hexadecimal, first two hexadecimal digits represent the red, these next two represent the green, and the last two represent the blue. You can use the preset color names. So here you can see we have body color white And we also have this background option, so just make a note of this. Color is for the foreground color, background is for the background color. So here the color of, that is the text color, would be white, and the background color would be red for the body of the HTML page. Some of the available colors are black, silver, grey, white, maroon, red, purple, fuchsia, green, lime, olive, yellow, navy, blue, teal, aqua. You can also specify the color in the hexadecimal manner. Say for instance, BBG color is specified in the hexadecimal notation as FF. That is going to be the black color. We can use the 2 digits to specify the black, and red, black, red, green, and blue. The first 2 digits are going to specify the red option. The next 2 digits are going to specify the green option. Next 2 are for the blue color. Now the hexadecimal digits are from 0 to 9 and A to F. 0 to 9, as you say, are in that order only, 0 being the lowest, 9 being the highest. Then comes A to F. A is for 10, B is for 11, C is for 12, D is for 13, E is for 14, and F is for 15. That gives you an idea how much red or how much green I'm using in my web page.